Hey everyone, it's Steve from McFate's Corner. I've got some gardening to do, and today we're going to look at the Blumetrec Wheel Rotary Edger. Looks like a pretty straightforward edging tool. It's manual. 5 pieces make up the handle. There you have the rotary mounted in a foam container. Behind that, of course, is the wheel. Then you have the tools needed to complete this assembly. Looks like they threw in some stickers for good measure. As you can see, we're looking at about a 6 to 7 by 40 foot area, my side yard. This is the reverse angle. There's my piece of hedge. We're going to have about 3 feet of grass that's going to remain there. Then there's going to be a flower garden. I've mowed my grass about as short as I can get it, and we're getting into a dry spell, so I'm going to be tilling up this area shortly. As you can see by the instructions, it's a simple process. The 5 segments, obviously the yellow handle is the outermost segment. At the outer end, these 3 segments in the middle look identical, and you can adjust them according to the height of the person operating. This is the segment that goes in to the rotary tool itself. Unwrap this handle, take a look at these instructions, pull out the tools needed here. It looks like a open end wrench and a curved socket type wrench, 2 bolts and 2 nuts. This is actually a pretty nice heavy duty wheel. I mean, this isn't anything cheap. We're going to line up this end piece of pole to the holes that align in the pole through the main unit here. As you can see, I've got them all lined up there. And we want to thread these bolts on here. Take the open end wrench and hold the end of the head of the bolt with that so it stays in place, while you take this little curved socket and tighten these nuts down. Tighten the first bolt first. That's closest to the handle, not closest to the unit, because that'll make these 2 pieces clamp together, and the second bolt will be real easy to tighten. There's the most important part done. Our segment is completed. Very easy with the included tools. Now all that's left is to screw these handles together. When completed, the segment is quite tall. It's about 6 foot tall, so I'm going to take out one of the segments. Of course, it's starting to rain, so I quickly did the first timber off camera because I didn't know when it was going to hit, but it worked pretty well. I got to sweep all this up, obviously, but yeah. Well, that's going to do it from McFate's Corner. We took a look at the Blumetrec Wheel Rotary Edger, manual edger. It did a fine job. Now I got to get out of this rain. Got it done just in time, And as always, take care of yourself and take care of one another.